A very good morning to class 12th. Today we will discuss about the different marketing strategy, or basically first is what is marketing strategy all about. So you know that marketing strategy is very important part, because in this topic there are lot many questions comes to get in board examination. So this topic contains, because if you understand this topic, there are lot of things you need to cover. The first thing is meaning of marketing strategy, then is meaning of marketing mix, then we can what is different types of product you have, then different type of product mix, then what is the price and pricing strategy, how you decide the price, whether different distribution channel you have, and which distribution channel you need to select. So these are different topics we need to study in this particular topic. So when you consider the marketing, what is marketing strategy? Now, a marketing strategy is overall game plan. This important word here is a game plan which is conducted by the business for reaching prospective customers and turning them into customer of the product or services the business provides. It means the meaning of marketing is to attract the customer. Not only to attract the customers, but to change them into their customer of their product. आपको चेंज करना है ताकि वो आपका प्रोडक्ट खरीदें. तो you need to adapt the marketing strategy like this. Now earlier the marketing strategy, a lot many people think that marketing strategy means is advertising. No, it's not advertising at all. The marketing strategy starts when company launches a product, or simple thing is when company starts making the product and it's remain continue when we sold the product to the customer. We provide after sales services. The after sales services which we provide to satisfy the needs and taste of the consumer. We find out we need to take the feedback whether our product satisfy them or they need something extra in it. So these are part of marketing strategy. So what is marketing strategy? I hope this part is clear. Please note down this term. The marketing strategy is overall game plan for reaching prospective customers and turning them into a customer of the product services the business provide. Now, when we study about the marketing strategy, there are different portions are included in it. So, what is this different part? What is the different types of marketing strategy? Right, types of marketing strategy. Now, there are different types of marketing strategy. First is you need social media marketing. Social media. Next one is, apart from social media, the company use trade shows. Okay, company use trade shows. Okay. Next is, we say niche marketing. I will tell you what's niche marketing all about. Next is cross promotion marketing, or we say that free marketing. Other part is inbound marketing. Next is cross promotion marketing. Cross promotion marketing. We will cover this all marketing topic in this chapter. The first you note down that we move one by one. So this is all about the marketing strategy. The simple thing is marketing strategy is basically a comprehensive plan. Okay, for achieving organization objectives. Marketing is the process of exchange of goods and services for money or something valuable. Which is something valuable. It is a process. Marketing strategy is a process of exchange of goods and services for money or something valuable. So on the basis of these two concepts, marketing strategy means a comprehensive plan to facilitate and promote exchange of goods and services. Now, one of the most marketing strategy advisors is David Acker says that a process that can allow an organization to concentrate its resources on the optimum opportunities with the goals of increasing sales and achieving a sustainable competitive advantage. This is a part of marketing strategy. So what are different components of marketing strategy? The marketing strategy includes all basics long-term activities. I repeat, marketing strategy includes all basic and long-term activities in the field of marketing that deal with analysis of strategies, initial structures or initial situation of a company and contributes the goal of the company and its marketing objectives. It includes the formulation, evaluation of the plan and selection of market oriented strategies. The marketing strategy is a compound of, ठीक है, is composed of several strategies for growth as well as interrelated components of the marketing mix. So we will study about the marketing mix. What are the terms which are included in marketing? Well, this is a very important part to understanding. So marketing strategy is overall the game plan of the business. How you satisfy the customers with the help of what you are producing. आपने जो गुड्स बनाया है, जो कुछ आपने सर्विसेज आपने बनाई है, आप उससे कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई कैसे करोगे? तो सेटिस्फाई करना तो बहुत दूर की बात है. फर्स्ट द बेसिक फर्स्ट स्टेप इज आप अपने गुड्स को कस्टमर तक कैसे पहुंचाओगे. हाँ, व्हाई द कस्टमर परचेज योर प्रोडक्ट. कस्टमर आपके गुड्स क्यों परचेज करेगा और कैसे परचेज करेगा. यू नीड टू अवेयर, आपको कस्टमर को अवेयर करना पड़ेगा. द सिंपल थिंग आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर दैट AID अप्रोच, which means A need for attraction, I need for interest, D for desire, A for action. I repeat, AID effect. We need to use AID effect, where A used for attraction, I used for creating interest, D for desire, A for action. So why? You need to attract your customer. AID approach. How you attract your customers, that depend upon what type of product you are making and how, what steps, what policies, what are the marketing techniques or tools you are adopting. Next is when you adopt the marketing techniques, जब आप advertising करते हो, it creates an interest among customers. उसे लगता है कि हाँ, मुझे एक प्रोडक्ट परचेज करना चाहिए because I have an interest in it. There's something unique in that product. तो you, ठीक है, it's create an interest. Then desire. He feel that कि now this product he wants. उसको ये प्रोडक्ट चाहिए. Means for any reason. He say वो प्रोडक्ट costly है, but he say it's give me some valuable advantage. Okay, then action means he purchased the product. So these are terms because marketing use adopting a technology of AID approach, where A stand for attraction, I for interest, D for desire and A for action. Now next question comes here. Important terms come here. What is the meaning of marketing mix? Because we use here marketing strategy includes different marketing mix. Okay, so we need to consider about what are marketing mix. Marketing mix होता क्या है? हम मार्केटिंग मिक्स किसको बोलते हैं, ये होता क्या है? तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हेन यू कंसीडर मार्केटिंग मिक्स, तो मार्केटिंग मिक्स रिफर्स टू द इंग्रेडिएंट्स और द टूल्स ऑन द वेरिएबल्स व्हिच मार्केटिंग मिक्सेस इन ऑर्डर टू इंटरैक्ट विद अ पर्टिकुलर मार्केट. ओके, नाउ इफ आई टेल यू व्हाट इज सिंपल वे व्हाट इज द मार्केटिंग मिक्स, तो मार्केटिंग मिक्स रिफर्स टू द इंग्रेडिएंट्स और द टूल्स और द वेरिएबल्स व्हिच इज इंक्लूड द मार्केटिंग मिक्स in order to interact with a particular market. आप कैसे particular market से interact करोगे? This is a part of marketing mix. While performing the marketing activities, entrepreneur is bound to introduce many other supporting activities to enhance his market, which generate wealth. In this regard, he can choose the qualities and specification of the product or services to suit the needs of the market. He may perform it through advertisement, ठीक है, in electronic media or in newspaper or in radio. Now that all depends upon which media which technology he is adopting, which is suits that particular market. For distribution, he may opt for intermediaries like wholesalers, dealers or retailers for getting the solution of all the above problem. What he needs, it's marketing mix. वो गुड्स को कैसे बेचेगा, गुड्स को एडवर्टाइज कैसे करेगा, दे ऑल द प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ मार्केटिंग मिक्स. तो मार्केटिंग मिक्स इज अ कंपोनेंट which includes each and every part which are included in the marketing strategy. Okay, one of the great saying, Philip Kotler says that a marketing mix is a mixture of controllable marketing variables that the firm uses to pursue the soft level of sales in the target market. So basically marketing is a component, is a tool which includes all the ingredients which are included in the marketing. आप goods को consumer तक कैसे पहुंचाओगे और कैसे बेचोगे, this all parts including marketing mix. So hope this part is clear. Okay, when we consider the marketing mix, W.J. Stanton, they says that marketing mix is a term used to describe the combination of the four inputs which contribute the core of a company marketing system. Okay, the product, the price structure, the promotional services or the distribution system. It means that basically what are the components, elements of marketing mix? If you say there are different components are there, the first one is product, next is price, next we say that place, we will discuss it one by one, place, next is promotion, how we promote the product, we say promotion. The first thing is when we consider marketing strategy, marketing mix, the first is product mix. Now product mix, what type of product you are making? क्या प्राइस होना चाहिए? What is will be the price of that product? Okay, where the place? आपने जो goods बनाया किस जगह के लिए बनाया है? Next is what type of different promotion activities you use in business? Okay, but apart from 4 P's, there are other tools of marketing mix are there, like packaging, which is not there in your book, but it's an important part. You should know this thing. This is a part of marketing mix. Packaging. So earlier in books it written as there are 4 P's of marketing mix, which is product, price, place, promotion. But basically it's not a 4 P's. They basically understand there are 5 P's. In some book it written as, if you study about the MBA, BBA, it mentioned here in BBA, MBA, there are 7 P's. As per the agreed term, in your book it mentioned there are only 4 P's of marketing mix, which include price, product, price, place, promotion. That one more term is a very important part nowadays is packaging. But if you study about the detail, what are the other terms? It say what are the process. Okay. Next thing is with people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are basically 7 P's are there. One is product, price, place, promotion, packaging, process and people. So we need to study about the 5 P's first. Okay, which includes product, price, place, promotion and packaging. Okay. Now, so what is the first thing is, there is a component of marketing mix. So in your book it's written, if you see in your NCERT, they written about the 4 P's. They make up a typical marketing mix. The price, product, promotion and place. Okay. So we will study about the first thing is, what is product mix? Product mix है क्या और किसके बारे में है? तो product mix, it refers to, when we study the product mix, now the term product mix, what it means. Now what type of product you are making? The first thing is, it refers to item actually being sold, means goods or services or anything of value which is offered in the market for exchange. The important reason related to a product are, okay, when you decide about the product, it means it refers to the item actually being sold, means goods or services or anything of value which is offered in the market for exchange. The important reason related to product are deciding about the quality. What type of quality of goods you are making? किस type की quality आप बनाने वाले हो? Okay, what will be his design? उसका design क्या होगा? The next comes, what are the different features available in the product? उसके different features क्या होंगे? Then it comes, what are sizes? Okay, etc. They need to be found in the product. Then it comes about deciding the brand name of the product. What will the brand name? Because the important part, when you create the brand name, it easily attracts the customer. Like Maggi, they have the brand name. Because nobody says, I want to go for purchasing noodles. They say, I want to purchase Maggi. But Maggi creates a brand name. Nobody says it's noodle. Okay, they say it's Maggi. Simply earlier, it will say, if you go for purchase the washing powder, it will say Surf de do. Okay, it's a brand name. Okay, that's important part. Simply, if you want the toothpaste, you say simple Colgate. The name comes Colgate. It's a brand name. So you need to make the brand name in order to make your product familiar to customers. Okay, then design the package for the product. Whatever packaging system you are using it. So here they use the packaging word in the product only. What type of package system you are using? How you pack the product. उसकी packaging कैसी होगी? Then design the labels to be put on the package of product. कैसे इसकी labeling करोगे? What color you will use? Okay, they say designing the labels. Then is deliver a minimum level of performance. How you deliver this product? आप इसको customer तक कैसे बचाओगे? So we can also say that the entire product is tangible or intangible, offering that is required to satisfy the needs and aspiration of customers. The basic is a product thing. So please understand the term. What is product mix? Product mix says that it refers to the item actually being sold, or means goods or services or anything of value which is offered in the market for exchange. The important decision related to a product are you decide about the quality, design, features, what are different sizes you need to make the product. Okay, then decide the brand name of the product, which is very important. Design the package for the product, which is called packaging. Design the labels to be put on the package of the product. And the next one, deliver a minimum level of performance. How you deliver it to the customer. So these are important part to know about the product mix. I hope this part is clear. What is product mix? Next part come, product services should answer the following question. Okay, when you design the product mix, you should know the different questions asked by the customers. The first thing is, what the customer want from the product service. What need close it satisfy. Means first thing is, needs to be satisfied. The question, how you satisfy the needs and taste of the customer. Whether your existing product are satisfy the needs and taste of the customer. Next is, what feature doesn't it have to meet all these needs. क्या आपके प्रोडक्ट में वो सारे फीचर्स हैं which can satisfy the needs and taste of the product. So what are the features you have? Features are in the product. Next is, ठीक है, कोई feature ऐसा है which you missed out. You need to understand before deciding the product mix. Any feature you missed out. Next part is, how and where, ठीक है, with the customer use it. Now whether are you including costly features that the customer won't actually use. It means you need to decide the price first also. आप किस price का measure है. It should not be so costly so the customer neglected it. ये costly नहीं होना चाहिए, otherwise customer will neglected it. How is it branded? उसकी branding कैसे होगी? How we create branding? What the product called out? Product का नाम क्या होगा? You know, like it's an important part. When any company launches product in the market, उसका कुछ नाम होता है. Okay, suppose Maruti launches Alto, तो नाम दिया गया Alto, which is branded by Maruti. Okay, तो Alto नाम दिया गया. Same way, when Maruti launches Brezza, तो नाम दिया गया. Whenever any company launches product, it always give the name. What you called off? आप उसका नाम क्या बोलोगे? So this is an important part of the, ठीक है, product mix. Okay, this is all about the product. So what is now when we think about the product mix? What is product mix actually? The product mix involves planning and developing the right type of product that will satisfy the needs and taste of the customer. So when we talk about the product mix, the first thing you need to understand that when product mix, it involves, please note down, this is the important part. When we talk about the product mix, it says that it involves planning and developing. It involves planning and developing. It involves planning and developing the right type of product, the right type of product, planning and developing the right type of product that will satisfy the full needs of the customer, that satisfy fully the needs and taste of the customer. Satisfy fully the needs and taste of the customer. This is an important part. The product mix involves all this. It involves planning. It involves developing the right type of product that will satisfy fully the needs and taste of the customers. Okay, a product has several dimensions like size, weight of the product, volume of output product, quality, brand name, package, warranties, etc. These dimensions are collectively called product mix. Now, when we talk about the product mix, you know that it involves planning, it involves developing the right type of product that will satisfy the needs and taste of the customer. Okay, a product has several dimensions. बहुत सारी dimensions होते हैं product के. Means like size, क्या weight होगा? Okay, volume of output कितना produce करना है आपको? What will its quality? क्या brand name होगा? How you packaging? ठीक है, what type of warranties or guarantee scheme you offer to customers? तो these dimensions are collectively called, इन सारे डायमेंशन को जो हम मिलाते हैं तो we call it product mix. तो please understand this term. What is product mix? Product mix doesn't mean to make a product. Product means it's the product which can satisfy the needs and taste of customers, which include the several dimensions like size, like weight, like quality, ठीक है, like brand name, okay, like take whatever guarantee or warranty schemes you use in the product. So means these all type of product mix. So in simple way, if I say the product mix includes the first thing, if you say how you branding, product mix includes branding, okay, how you label them, which includes packaging in it, labeling, then you say packaging, okay, it includes all these parts. The branding, in branding we also decide what are the logos and taglines of the product. Now logos and taglines are very important part because it helps him to attract the customer. So obviously this is a part of product mix: branding, labeling, packaging, logos and tagline. Okay, in class 12 the packaging is given under product mix only, but remember this thing, when we study BBA and MBA, okay, the packaging is a different mix. Okay, so first we'll study about what is branding. Branding है क्या? The first thing is we need to study about the branding. Now you know that it's branding. Okay, branding is the most important elements of product mix. A producer has to decide whether the firm products will be marketed under a brand name or a generic name. Or a generic name refers to the name of the class of good. Easy, for example, car, television, shoes, etc. We call it a generic name. Okay, but you need to decide how you do the branding of your product. If product was sold by the generic names, then it would be very difficult for the marketers, or very difficult for the customer also to distinguish the product from their competitors. Okay, if you say you are manufacturing a TV or you are manufacturing a refrigerator, you need to give them a certain name so that it can create a different identification as per their competitors. तो आपको different नाम देना पड़ेगा. That's why I say what you called out. आप क्या नाम रखोगे उसका? This is the important part of branding. Now, if you sell by the generic name only, it means that you are selling by TV only, or you are selling by refrigerator only, or you are selling by car only. So it's very difficult for the customers to identify to get your product with the competitors one. So you need to give them a name. That's come under branding. I hope this part is clear. The first is branding. We talk about the branding. So branding, the marketing practice of creating a name, symbol or design that identifies and differentiates a product from another product. How can you differentiate from one product to another product? It's a part of branding. Okay, an effective brand strategy gives you a major edge in increasing the competitive markets. Now, if you want to be competitive in the market, you need a brand name. So brand name is a very important part that help the customers, that help the consumers to differentiate a product, to identify the product, which product he need to choose and why. The product which satisfy his needs, okay, and his taste. Definitely he want to purchase that product only. But you need a brand name. You need what we called off. The product should be a name by which you called off. The customer will call off. That creates a market. Okay. So this is a part of definition of branding. Note down please. The next part is we consider what are important term is there in branding. Okay, the branding includes, I hope you understand this thing. The branding includes, when we study the branding, means that branding includes, suppose this is a branding. Branding includes, the first one is an important word. It's a company name. What's the company name? Who launches a product? Okay. Then you have logo of this. If you make a logo, normally in cars, Samsung has its own logo, LG has its own logo, even the Maruti has its own logo. Okay. Then we have the logos. Okay. Then we say price of the product. Then it comes about, okay, what are the benefits of the product benefits? Okay, then says what type of customer services you are providing to satisfy their needs and grievances. Customer services you are providing. This all are included in branding. When we consider the branding, the different components are there. What is the logo, which create a strong impressions. Okay, when we repeated all this transition, it provides a reputation. It provides also provide the value proposition. What are the values ingredient in it? How is satisfy the customers? Okay, what are the different benefits are there? So it's all including branding. The next term, if you see that there are some generic names are there. If you understand them, the first one is, if you say detergents, when we talk about the detergents, जब हम बात करते हैं detergents की, तो say that Surf, ठीक है, we also say that Rin or Ariel. These all are the generic names are, ठीक है, detergents, but the name brand names are Nirma, Surf, okay, Ariel, Rin. In the same way, when we talk about the pen is a generic name, but we consider about the, when we say the brand names like Parker, okay, Cello, Reynolds, these are all it's all part of the brand names. When we talk about the car, you know, the Maruti, okay, Mercedes, or there are different terms of there, BMW, Honda. Okay, when we talk about the refrigerator is a generic name, but when you give the names, okay, LG, Whirlpool, Samsung, these all are the brand names. In the same way, we talk about the televisions. Okay, TV set, Sony, LG, even MI, they all are brand names. Same way, okay, when the company sold the milk products, you know that their Mother Dairy is a brand name, Amul is a brand name, okay, even Archer is a brand name. So these are things, okay, you need to create your own name which is different from your generic name, so that customer can identify. Now suppose you want to go to purchase a TV, you say I want to purchase a Sony TV. Okay, I want to purchase Sony full Ultra HD TV. So you are full in the, you understood this term, which TV, which company TV you want to purchase. Or when you go to, when you move in the market to purchase any car, you identify what are different features. First you set up your budget. आपका budget कितना है? Then you go for which car suits you, वो आपकी needs को satisfy कर सके, which car attracts you, what are the features in the car. This is all important point. So it means every company gives name to its product so that it can be easy to differentiate from your competitor's product. I hope it's clear. Now next comes, what are the brand? What is brand? The brand is a comprehensive term. Brand is a comprehensive term used to denote a name, a term, a sign, symbol, design, or combination of them with a view. Means if you talk about what is brand, the brand is a comprehensive term. Okay. The first thing, term used to denote a name, a term, a sign, a symbol, or a design, or a combination of all of them. Okay, its term is defined. It's called brand. So how will you define brand? Brand identify the product of firm. Okay, brand identify the product of firm. Next is it provides a differentiation to form those of competitors. तो when you जब आप किसी प्रोडक्ट को नाम देते हो अपना, जब किसी प्रोडक्ट का आप नाम रखते हो, तो it provides edges, it provides a differentiate from your competitor's product. The first thing is brand name. When you talk about the brand name, what is brand name? Brand name is a part of brand which can be spoken as referred to as brand name. It is a meaning of, suppose you give the name of a newborn child. Okay, तो आप किसी न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्ड को नाम देते हो, वी कॉल इट, हम उसको नाम देते हैं. सिंपली जब भी हम कोई प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं मार्केट में, हम उसका नाम देते हैं. अब कोक ने अपनी मार्केट में ड्रिंक लॉन्च की, ही गिव्स द नेम मिरिंडा, ही गिव्स द नेम कोक. सिंपली पेप्सी ने अपने चिप्स मार्केट में लॉन्च किए, ही गिव द नेम लेस. तो दिस कॉल्ड द ब्रांड नेम. द ब्रांड नेम, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ब्रांड विच कैन बी स्पोकन, इज रिफर्ड टू एज अ ब्रांड नेम. It is like it's just like naming the newborn child. Next is brand mark. You understand what is brand name? Brand name हम जो नाम देते हैं, like Mercedes हमने नाम दिया, हमने Maruti नाम दिया, हमने Honda नाम दिया. Okay, all these is a brand name. Now अब Honda ने कोई गाड़ी, Maruti ने Alto launch की, देखिए the brand name Maruti Alto. The same way we say the brand mark. Brand mark is a part of brand which cannot be spoken but can be recognized. It is a non-alterable. It appears in the form of a symbol, design, or distinct color scheme. Now you know that. What is a brand mark? Brand mark, it's not a name, it's a symbol. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ गर्ल ऑफ अमूल, आपने देखा होगा अमूल के उसमें एक गर्ल बनी आती है छोटी सी, इट्स अ ब्रांड मार्क. ओके, इन द सेम वे, ठीक है, इफ यू सी द एयर इंडिया, इट्स कमिंग महाराजा. जब आप एयर इंडिया का सिंबल देखते हैं तो महाराजा आते हैं, इट मीन्स इट्स अ ब्रांड मार्क. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. तो ब्रांड मार्क इज नॉट अ नेम, ठीक है, इट्स अ सिंबल विच डिफाइंस अ पर्टिकुलर कंपनी. देन व्हाट इज ट्रेडमार्क? You know that a brand or part of a brand that is given a legal protection against it used by the other firms is called a trademark. It is essentially a legal term, confers upon its owner the exclusive right to use the brand name and the brand mark. You know that symbol of Nike. If you have that, the symbol of Nike is like this. Okay, now this is a trademark. Even symbol M for Maruti is a trademark. H for Honda is a trademark. तो मीन्स these are trademark. What is trademark? Trademark, जो trademark है क्या? तो trademark is a brand or part of a brand that is given a legal protection, that provides a legal protection against its use by other firms. मतलब आप नाइकी के जो लोगो को you cannot use it, आप इसको यूज नहीं कर सकते because this shoes is made by ठीक है नाइकी only. आप इसको यूज नहीं कर सकते. Is that done? ठीक है. What is the symbol of Nike called? Can anybody remember this? हम इस symbol को क्या बोलते हैं? Let me talk about the swoosh of Nike. ठीक है. It's very legal. ठीक है. It's a trademark of the Nike. Okay. The swoosh. The term is called swoosh. Okay. It's a trademark. So there are different trademarks are there, so the company can identify. It's a legal protection. The brand. What is trademark? If anybody asks you, the trademark is a brand or a part of brand that is given a legal protection against its uses by other firms. Okay, this term is called trademark. It's essentially a legal term. It confers upon its owner the exclusive right to use the brand name and the brand mark. Okay, the H of Honda. No other company can use it. So there are different terms are there. If you see the Airtel color, no other company can use the same color because it's trademark by the Airtel. That's clear? So we call this come under branding. Okay, obvious symbol say brand. So brand includes brand name, brand mark and trademark. I hope this parts are clear. Now the next question arises. Okay, what are the good qualities of a brand? एक brand में अच्छी qualities क्या होना चाहिए? What are the different ठीक है? What are the qualities or characteristics ठीक है which are required in brand? Okay, the first thing is note down with me. एक ब्रांड में क्या खासियत होनी चाहिए? What are the different qualities which are needed in brand? The first one is a brand name should be distinct and be able to stand out among competitors. In selecting a brand name, entrepreneur should ask what he wants to achieve. While selecting a brand name, entrepreneur should choose the name which is short and simple, which can easy to pronounce. First thing, the name should be short and simple. Okay, the first thing needed in that. Next thing is noticeable, easy to recognize. The name should be noticeable, means it's catchy, noticeable. And next thing is easy to recognize. It's easy to recognize. Next important part is impressive, pleasing or impressive like Jodak. Okay. Next is it does not provide any negative offense. It should be doesn't provide any negative mark or negative offense to anyone. The first thing is it should not be a negative. It should not be offensive. The name should be not be a negative one. It should not be offensive. Okay. Next part is linked to the product. The name should be linked to the product, so that when it's linked to the product, it attracts the customers. When it attracts to customers, then not many customers ठीक है, identify them, then provides a AIDA approach, which means that it attract the customers, it creates interest among the customers, it provides the desire, and then ultimately consumer can purchase this, which we call action. So I hope guys you understand what is brand and what is the branding. So what are the specific thing you require in brand. The name should be short and simple, it should be noticeable, easy to recognize, it should be a pleasing one so that it can attract the customers. Okay, then it should be it should not be negative. The name should not be a negative, do not provide any offensive image. Then it should link with the product. Okay, means it should be eye catching. When it's linked to the product, it should be eye catching. Like Hajmola. If you see the Hajmola's ad, the name Hajmola, okay, it provides the digestive system. That means the name should be linked to the product. It provides link to the product. Okay, this is the important part. Eye catching is linked to the product. Like the some oil, hair and care, it provides hair and care. Okay, these are terms which attract the customers. So I hope you understand what is branding all about. Okay, so guys, please work hard, take care. In next chapter we'll take the product price mix or different types of pricing methodology. So till then, take care.